this whole entire time. I didn't vlog nothing. But honey, hold on. While we waiting, let's give Walmart their credit, honey. Hold on. Let me tell you something. Because when I tell you, I'm coming back here to get some fall stuff. Watch this. Honey, like all the fall colors and just for $7.96, y'all. For $8, these are all the groceries I got. I'm gonna do like a grocery haul when I get home. Say hey, Evie. Say hey, mama. She wanna get out. But I don't know if y'all can hear me, but for real, I will talk to y'all when you get home because people starting to look at me. That's exactly why I don't like vlogging in public, but who really cares? Bye.
Girl, get in position. Girl, get in position.
Okay, y'all, so I know this is like a really crazy angle and this vlog is like really jumpy, but I gotta hide behind this bag because, you know, like this once you get home. Sorry, can't turn it off. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little mini haul. I did get it, yes, from City Trends. Like if y'all go in there and you actually look around, like, okay, first of all, let's give it up for the hair right quick. Like, just, anyways, but you go in there and you actually look, you can find some really good things. You don't even have to actually look. They have a lot of good things. It's just they get a bad, I don't know, they get a bad, like, vibe. You know, it is an urban store, but whatever. You just probably wouldn't see whatever I got there. Now listen. I thought they were cute. Like, I'm trying to build up their little wardrobe for back to school. So I got Grayson and Xander, both a set. Okay, Grayson and Xander both a set. You can see it comes with a lot. Like, it comes with a shirt, basketball shorts, and a pair of sweatpants. So like you asked me, you put it on with a little hoodie. That's a deal. And I kind of unwrapped it already, but I just thought about it. So, just a little mini haul. Look, I'm trying to make it present. Okay, y'all already saw it. Like, they had this, I think, was this a 6-pack? They had a 6-pack of some damn towels for $1.99. Like, what? You're not gonna beat that. In their quality, you could tell, like, they feel good. I just gotta wash them. I picked up some underwear for Grayson. He's been really into ninjas. Like, and look at the price. Yeah, come on. He's been really into ninjas, and I just picked that up for him. And for baby girl, just a cute little outfit. I'm trying to little pieces together. I'm trying to piece it together so I show it to y'all. Just a cute little. I mean, this is really just building up their wardrobe. I mean, because their school wardrobe is already good. I got these lashes, y'all. They had these like, but I have the wrapper right here. They look like this in the wrapping, but don't they look so good? Like, they look so natural. Like, I don't have them fully like glued on the way I usually would because I just want to try them on. But like, look how good they look. Like, get up close. Look how good they look. Like, right? And I don't know, I just picked up areas, some men's care spray, whatever, just so everybody can have something. But that was my little mini haul. And hold on, oh yeah, from the beauty store, I'm not really showing everything, because I really have already laid out all their hair stuff. Like, I still got to do their hair before school. So like, I'm gonna start this probably midweek because they go back to school on Friday. I'm gonna probably start their hair like, yeah, midweek, because I need to do each child's hair each day. Like, I'm not the type that's going to do everybody's hair in one day, because at the end of the day, I'm not doing nothing and I still need to be able to do something. Just pretty much like the basics. I was gonna use these for Gregor's hair because I was like, I don't know if you You see it, but Grayson has locks, and I'm growing Xander's out too, but his hair is not to the point where it's ready to like have stuff like that on. Like Grayson's hair is actually locked, but Xander's hair is, you know, his hair was already so like fine and curly like when he was born. So I'm trying to, you know what I mean, it's to that stage where you pretty much really want to lock it up, but you have to get it really coarse first. Like, and I have to do like, as opposed to Grayson, his took 6 months to get like that type of coarseness to where I could like roll it out and like make sure that, you know, it was growing correctly and it was, you know, it was doing everything it was supposed to do. But with Xander, his hair is just finer. His hair is thinner. Like, so I gotta work with it a little bit more. I might get to the point where I just like shave his sides and he has like, you know, little dread, little, you know, like, oh my God, please take that word out of my mouth. When he locks, I just want like locks on the top here. So it's not really much from the beauty store, but rubber bands, stay near rubber bands in my house. And then I thought these would be so cute for Evie, like they match, and honey, they're only $1. Like, these are so cute. Put like some little ribbons, and I just felt like pink, white, and like it has like a little nude color in there. I'm gonna try to literally use like every single last one of these colors. Maybe not, no, because that's a little bit too much. Maybe I might just do like, you know, a set. You see how they kind of got a group together. I might just do these colors together or these colors together. So y'all, okay, so I've been inspired to do a clean with me, but you know, before that, you know, you better go outside and do what parents do. But I've been inspired to do a clean with me because it's Sunday. I got a lot of clothes to wash and I gotta get everything really ready for the week. Like, I like having everything in order. Like, I like pretty much laying out all of our outfits so we ain't really gotta think about it. All the kids' outfits, and then I gotta do hair. So I'm pretty much gonna take y'all along for that. And I know I said this was probably gonna be like a day vlog, but since it's been over the course of like a couple of days throughout the weekend, this is just gonna be a weekend vlog, and y'all pretty much probably gonna be seeing this vlog on Labor Day. I might record what we do on Labor Day too, and then post Tuesday, because this is gonna be my first vlog back in a little minute. So like, next video will probably be like a sit down or update. And other than that, I'm going to still go back, start cleaning while the kids are napping, and then hopefully by the end of the day I can be relaxing and cooking dinner, and that's that.